Hello friends, I'm back, and today we'll be talking about Dyakia hendersoniana. Let's go! This mini-vandaceous orchid can be found in Brunei on the island of Borneo. If I had to describe the climate, I'd probably say tropical rainforest. That's where I want to be. As you can see, this is a really cute mini orchid with the most precious pink flowers. Just take a look at these. Today I'll be potting up about 30 of these, so thanks for joining me. These little orchids will be going into a small clay pot no bigger than 2 inches with a small grade bark mix. This will ensure that they can get some moisture but they don't stay soaking wet, and the clay pots dry out pretty fast as well, so that's a great bonus in this case. These can be grown in medium to shady light conditions. Mine will be under LED lights, so they'll be getting ample light. I'll just keep an eye on them to make sure that they're not getting burned or anything like that, but so far they're doing just fine. Now you know that I am misting these every single day with Super Thrive, okay? If you didn't know, I do have an Etsy store. I sell all kinds of orchids. I have plants and pots for different kinds of plants other than orchids. I also sell sage and palo santo, which are used for burning to uplift the spirit and rid yourself of negative energy, if you will. And you know these Dyakia are now listed, so if you want to get you one, the link will be in the description below, so check it out. As you can see on this orchid here, it is starting to spike. A large portion of these orchids are already in spike, so if you want to get yours to flower soon, get them while they're hot. This is definitely a plant I would recommend for expert and beginner alike. It's absolutely cute, the flowers are adorable and fragrant, and as you can see here, these plants are ready to go. Look at that flower spike. If you haven't done so already, please check the description below where you'll find the link to my Etsy store. You can see this plant and any of the other plants that I'm offering right now. As always, thank you so much for watching, my friends, and until next time, bye!